So when you're working with an accessory that's got maybe a little bit of a hair vine and a comb, you want to try and keep the bit of the accessory that's got the hair vine on it away from the hair, just until you've got the comb secure. If you touch the hair with the hair vine, it will catch. And it will spoil your hairstyle, just in case you need to move it. So I always kind of try and wrap it around and get it in my hand so it's not near the hair. Or if it's a particularly long hair vine, maybe get one of the bridesmaids to help, and she can hold the hair vine while you secure the comb. So let's get this in first, and I think I might pop it. I might do this slightly one-sided, I think, and have the hair vine tumbling down the back. Let's have a little go. In order to get the comb in, and behind, we've got the extensions in there, we've got lots of bobby pins in there, so it's not going to be easy to get the comb in. Let me just move those pearls out of the way. So use your tail comb to help you get the comb from the accessory in, and you would do this as well if you were working with a veil. So we're going to pop the accessory in, because we've got a lot of extensions, bobby pins here, so we've got to get this comb in behind the grips that we've already got in there. So I'm pushing down with my left hand, and I'm using the tail comb to go into the hair and help me pull the hair up and through those prongs on the comb. That's it, and it will slip in a little bit at a time. And once that's in, it should be lovely and secure. You can unravel your little vine and decide where you want it to sit. And I think it would look nice just nested around the hair there maybe. And then I might have it coming back. I'm not going to put any grips in just yet. And I might have it in here just a little bit. That feels nice and secure. If you did feel you needed to grip it in, you could slide a little bobby pin over the side of the comb here, but it doesn't feel like it needs it to me. And then I'll put a little bobby pin, or you can use your up and over, and I'm just going to slide that in over the side of the hair vine, hitting something there. That's it. We've got lots of grips in here, remember, and we've got our extensions under there, and then you can just bend to get them so that you're happy with how they're sitting. And I think because the hair is very loose here, we're better to use a bobby pin rather than a fine hairpin to do the up and over. So I'm going to use a bobby pin and just find a little bit that's sitting next to the scalp and slide the bobby pin over. That's it, over the little bit of wire. So it's lovely and secure. And you can still flex and twist and bend your accessory so you can get it to sit just how you want it. So it looks really pretty.